Hey guys, what's up? Check what I finally got in the mail today. Ooh. I ordered a new Mac Mini with the M1 chip. Hopefully this is gonna speed up my workflow, and I'm expecting it will, as I've been using the 2015 MacBook Air. It used to take me 10 to 12 hours to edit a 10-15 minute 4K footage on this machine. I was pulling my hair out, so I thought I might as well invest into a new system. This is gonna be my first Mac desktop computer. I also got the Magic Keyboard and the Magic Mouse here. Let's open these first. Does it just slide out? I'm assuming it does. Okay, slides out. Jesus, this is the first time I've seen such a keyboard, so tiny. Feels good though. And we've got the lightning cable for charging. And what else is in here? Warranty card, manual, cool. Let's put this aside and then do the mouse now. Yes, there we go. It comes with a cable again for charging. Charging port is not on the side, but at the bottom. That is so stupid. That is an idiotic design, it really is. Oh well, it is what it is. Let's put these aside. And then here comes the most important part. I opted for an upgrade. I went with the 16 gigabytes of unified memory, and I also chose the 1 terabyte of internal SSD storage, which would be sufficient enough to edit as much 4K as I usually do. Let's unbox this beast now. Oh, nice. What the hell? It's got a bit of weight to it. What else is in this box? The Mac Mini leaflet and the extremely important sticker. Power cable. That's it. Oh, this feels so good. This is the best part of unboxing. We got everything unboxed, including the mouse and the Magic Keyboard. So light, it's unbelievable. Just put this aside. And the machine itself. So this port is for the power cable. This is for the Ethernet, the gigabit Ethernet. There are two Thunderbolt 4 ports right next to each other. There's an HDMI port as well, and two USB-A ports. Also a port for a 3.5mm headphone jack. There's only one thing left to do. I'm gonna set up my computer now, and once everything is downloaded, including Final Cut Pro X, I'm gonna start editing this footage. Hopefully it's gonna be much faster than on the old 2015 MacBook Air. Fingers crossed, double crossed. Thanks again guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.